Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if SoFi offers personal loans. SoFi, or Social Finance, is a popular online personal finance company that offers a variety of products, and yes, personal loans are one of them. In fact, they are a well-known lender for this type of loan, particularly for borrowers with strong credit. SoFi personal loans are unsecured, which means they don't require any collateral. They offer competitive fixed interest rates and have no required fees, such as origination fees or prepayment penalties. The loan amounts can range from as little as $5,000 up to $100,000, and you can get a loan for various purposes, including debt consolidation, home improvement, or even paying for a wedding. The application process is straightforward and can be done entirely online. A key feature is that you can pre-qualify and check your potential rate without it affecting your credit score. If you're approved, you could receive your funds as quickly as the same day you sign the documents. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.